What is a scatter plot? A scatter plot is a type of graph used to display and compare two sets of numerical data. It shows data as points plotted on a graph, with one variable on the x-axis and the other on the y-axis. Each point on the graph represents a specific data pair. Purpose of a scatter plot: 1. Visualize relationships between two variables to identify trends, clusters, or outliers in the data. 3. Helps determine if there is any correlation between the two variables, example positive, negative, or no correlation. When to use a scatter plot: 1. When you want to explore the relationship between two variables, example, study time versus test scores, to detect patterns, trends, or clusters in data. 3. Useful when you are looking for correlation, positive, negative, or none. Launch Microsoft Excel and open a new worksheet. In column A, enter the study times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In column B, enter the corresponding test scores 55, 60, 65, 70, 80, 85, 90. It should look like this. Highlight the range from a 1 to be 8, including the headers, study time, and test score. Click on the Insert tab in the top menu. In the Charts group, click on the scatter plot icon. It looks like dots on a graph. Choose the first option, Scatter. Your chart will look like this. For adding chart title, click the chart title and type Study time versus test scores. And for labeling the axis, right-click the x-axis, choose Axis Title, and type Study Time, hours, dot. Do the same for the y-axis and type Test Score. For changing colors or styles, you can use the Chart Design tab to make your chart more. Now save the chart.